Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Java, a singleton is a design pattern that restricts the instantiation of a class to a single instance. Serialization, on the other hand, is the process of converting an object into a byte stream for storage or transmission. When dealing with singletons, special care must be taken during serialization to ensure that the singleton property is maintained, meaning that a single instance is preserved even after the object is serialized and deserialized. ## singleton pattern. The singleton pattern can be implemented in various ways, but the most common method is using the pugh singleton design approach, which uses a static inner helper class. This method is thread-safe and efficient. #serialization of singleton. To ensure that the singleton instance is preserved during serialization, you need to implement the readresolve method. This method is invoked when an object is deserialized. By returning the existing singleton instance in this method, you can prevent the creation of a new instance. Code example. Here is a complete code example demonstrating a singleton class that is serializable. Explanation of the code. 1. Singleton class. The singleton class implements the serializable interface. A private constructor prevents instantiation from outside the class. The singleton helper static inner class holds the singleton instance. The getInstance method provides global access to the instance. The readresolve method returns the existing instance when the object is deserialized. 2. Serialization and deserialization. The main method first retrieves the singleton instance and calls a method to demonstrate its functionality. The instance is serialized to a file named singleton.ser. The instance is then deserialized from the file back into an object. The showMessage method is called on the deserialized instance, and a comparison checks if both instances are the same. Conclusion. This tutorial demonstrates how to implement a singleton pattern that is serializable in Java. By using the readresolve method, we ensure that the singleton property is maintained even after serialization and deserialization. This approach is essential for any singleton that might be persisted or transmitted over a network.